Hi everyone, it's been a while since I have provided an update on my driving experience using BMW i4 eDrive 40 model, that is. So as you can see, I have driven over 11,000 kilometers until now, and it's a beautiful weather over here, so I decided to go on a long drive. As you can see, my battery range is somewhere around 40%. So the gasometer, the reason why I call it as gasometer is because the range is not that accurate. It just gives you ballpark figure that what you should expect. So at this point it's around 141 kilometers. Recently I have been doing driving experiments to maximize the range. So what I have been doing these days is I put my car in EcoPro mode, and then I put it on cruise control mode and set speed around 100 kilometers or 120 kilometers per hour. And to my surprise, this range keeps on increasing while driving because it doesn't gets any aggressive inputs from accelerator pedal manually, that is, because whenever I go on a drive without cruise control, I'm always prone to hit that accelerator on the floor, considering the performance is just quite brisk. You cannot get any better performance in India at this point, other than in any other, other than in i4. I haven't seen like any other EV performing really great. Obviously Mercedes S-Class is completely on different level, but what I mean is in this price range, that is of 85 to 90 lakhs of price range, there is no EV that matches this performance. I haven't seen that, but if there is, please feel free to correct me. Whenever I put my car in cruise control mode, the range in this gasometer keeps on increasing. So this is the one of the best way to maximize your range while you are driving on a long drive, or while you are driving on highways. So this thing is only for highways. Obviously you cannot use this mode and expect maximum range when you are driving in cities. But what you can alternatively do if you want to maximize range in cities is just put the car in B mode, that is brake regeneration mode. When you you can see my gear pedal, I just need to push it on the left, and damn, that's B mode. Now my car is driving in B mode, and whenever I decelerate or whenever I apply brakes, what my car does is it converts maximum amount of kinetic energy to electrical energy. So this is another short way of increasing your range while driving in city. Obviously I have also been using it on highways, but on highways you are less prone to decelerate or apply brakes if you are driving at certain speed, like certain safe speed around 80 to 100 kilometers per hour. So which is why I use combination of EcoPro mode and cruise control mode, which increases my range drastically. So yeah, that's it. As you can see, the weather is really beautiful, so it will make anyone to go on a long drive. Okay guys, until next video then, bye, take care.